Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to create a table for us to use to do our Phet simulation. So if you would turn to the first available page after your motion effects and forces that you glued into your journal, or at least you should have if you didn't go glue that in. All right, so we are going to do another Phet simulation. We will name this one Phet Simulation 3. So capital PHET Simulation 3. All right, we're going to use this to test the effects of mass on the speed of an object. So you'll want to use a straight edge, a ruler, to make your columns nice and straight. So I want you to, first of all, let's start with a horizontal line, maybe come down a little bit. Let's draw in a horizontal line on the line. Ooh, I wish I had my darker pen. I actually do right here in my pocket. Very good. Okay, I'm going to use a darker pen for the camera. All right, nice dark line. And then we're going to do another horizontal line on the very next blue line. Beautiful. All right, now we're going to work in vertical columns. If you would be sure to align your ruler with that first red line, you're going to make nice and straight columns. I'm going to push it up just a little bit. There we go. And then I'm going to start here and come down straight. Isn't that lovely? I'll do the same thing. I'll align my ruler with the next straight line and come straight down. Lovely. And then I'll continue to align the ruler with the last line I drew. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I did 4 lines last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that will be plenty. Okay, so now we are going to label mass, and then force, time. I think somebody in my classroom just had a splat. It sounded like splat. And then speed. Very good. All right, so we are going to test. We have 3 variables we're going to put out on our simulation. That would be the mass, the force, and the time. The one thing that we are not putting out is the speed. The speed will be determined for us, okay? So we have 3 variables, but we're 2 have to be the same. We only can change 1 variable, right? So the force, well, let's go ahead and put the mass. The mass is going to be our variable that is different. So we're going to have 40, let me see here, 40, 50, 80, 100, and 200 kilograms. 40, I'm going to skip a line between each one to keep it neat. 50, 80, 100, and 200 kilograms. Each one of these will be different. The force on each one will be the same. We're going to apply a force of 150 newtons to each object. Now, of course, this is going to be on a simulator. Next week, we will try the same type of thing in real life. And we will let gravity do the forcing, okay? Our time is going to be the same. We're going to time the applied force on the mass for 10 seconds. in each case. If we don't keep every variable the same except for one, we're not going to be sure which actually had the effect on the speed. Okay? So I'm going to go in and I'm going to write our question that we're trying to answer. What effect does mass have on the speed of an object? What effect does mass have on the speed of an object? Coming to squeeze it in there. All right, so my top doesn't look too tidy there, but that's what it is. All right, have that ready. Then go to your Phet simulation and get started. Oh, and if you run out of if you want to do more down here, then just make your combination, increase your mass. Just keep force and time the same if it goes on this page. Thank you, boys and girls.